here for this press briefing for the third Mathiachen Fest, which will be held on the 2nd of October 2024. In our panel of esteemed guests, we have the host of the fest, Father Derek Xavier Fernandez. 2 years ago, Father Derek Xavier came to Festacar Sir Marius and asked for a festival. Immediately, Festacar said to him, we will have Mathiachen Fest because Pilen is the potter's village. So I request Father Derek to say a few words and enlighten us on the flow of events on the 2nd of October.
Good evening, my dear friends. This is the third edition of Mathiachen Fest, and as Dr. Gwendolyn has said, it was during our 365 years of our church, the celebration of 365 years, that I approached Marius to have a fest for us in memory. And then he asked what's special about Pilen. So there was a ward which was very famous for pottery, which is no longer existing today. And it is said that that was the original ward, original place where the pottery started in Bangladesh. Afterwards there was a plague and all the potters, they went to different parts. So we took that and had started something called Mathiachen Fest. So the concept of Mathiachen Fest is, the soil is the basic, I would say, for a man. And everything comes, we are connected, very much connected with soil. So we had 2 editions, this is the 3rd edition. This year, the theme we have chosen is Amchi Mati Amcho Awaz, our soil, our voice. This is especially in regards to raise an awareness and also I would say a protest like what is going on in our state, the land conversions, so many changes in zones. So this is another way of protesting, I would say. Also showcasing our culture, our tradition, and we have come with this blend of tradition, the food, music, everything of our culture, of our Goan culture. And this time it is the people who are taking the initiative. Last 2 years, Marius was the leader, but this year the people have been empowered and they have come forward to organize this fest. So this is something nice because the whole aim is to empower the people, because with the leaders, we are there for a short time, the people should continue what is started. So I will say with this, I hope the tradition continues what we started in this village of Pilen, of Mathiachen Fest. First time we are having floats for Mathiachen Fest, and the floats there are 13 zones in our village. They are divided into 5 groups. So there are 5 floats which are existing in the things which exist in our village itself. The first field, the float on field. Second is on mountain. Third on lakes. Fourth on salt pans. And 5th on springs. So these are the 5 floats we are going to show to the people. And it's an awareness for them to preserve this, because most of these things are neglected today.
As Father said, Pilen is one of the most beautiful villages in Goa. They've got lakes, they've got streams, they had salt pans, paddy fields. So it's a great idea that they're coming up with these group dances, and each one will be highlighting this aspect of the fest. We need people to please come. If there are NGOs, the press, the media, all please come to this fest and see how you can create a festival to highlight your village at very little cost. Because all the people who are doing it is as their social responsibility on that day. So please do come and support this amazing idea of Father Derek Fernandez, the parish priest of Pilen, and all the villages.
Have Peter Fernandez from Pilen, who will share details of the menu of the day.
Hello, good evening. And we are having the Mateche Fest. For that, we are going to have little of kanji for the guest at the starting of the point. And then we, at 12:30 we will be serving food, which is samaraji kodi, boiled rice, dudiato mergo, and fried fish. And for dessert, we will be serving won. For vegetarians also we have separate counter which will be serving dal and khatpati. And in the evening we will be serving tea and kampon. This is just we are trying to revive the memories of old which has been lost and get back to it.
Edma Barreto, the president of the club, hardworking, active and leading the youth of Philae. Let's hear from him what is being planned by the youth.
Alright, thank you, Dr. Gwendolyn. Well, we all set to start Mateche Fest 3.0 on 2nd of October 2024. I take this honor and privilege to announce today that almost 250 to 300 youth participants are there for the event across all faiths. Not only Catholics, but we have Hindus, we have Muslims, all taking part together in the event. We also have the youth making bondera right as we speak. They are doing bonderas, they are making kotyos, they are painting kotyos for the percussion music, they're dancing, they're singing, and lots more to take home. So I urge each and everyone, even the youth across the state, to come forward for Mateche Fest 3.0 and witness the culture, witness the difference, witness the sustainability that we do, and hope to see you there.
Thank you so much. That was really enthusiastic of the younger generation to take this lead. And we have Paul Fernandez, a legendary musician well known all around the world. Many of us wouldn't know that Paul conducts many music workshops and guides the younger generation on the knowledge of music. So Sir Paul, please enlighten us on what entertainment you have lined up for us.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gwendolyn. And पहिल्या सुवातेर हांव आख्ख्या आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंयकारांक तुमच्या सोयऱ्यांक सगल्यांक आमंत्रण दिता 2 तारखेर आमच्या सोबीत पियेन्नेच्या गांवांत येवची तुमी सकाळीं 10 वरांचेर सावन कोमेस जातलें हें आमचें 3रे मातयेचें फेस्त 2 तारखेर 10 वरांचेर सकाळीं कोमेस जातलें आख्खो गांव आमचो ह्या फेस्तान भाग घेतलो आख्खो गांव म्हणजे न्हू फकत क्रिस्तांव आमचे हिंदू भाव भयणां आनी तुमकां प्रोग्राम आमी खूब आख्खो धाम सावन कोमेस जाता पळय ते सांजे 4 जायसर तुमचो एंटरटेनमेंट आमी चालूच दवरतले फामाद गोंयचो कांतोरीस सॅबी फेर्नांडीस तो येतलो आमचो गेस्ट आर्टिस्ट आमकां कांतारा म्हणपाक थिंगा मिरा मिरा आख्ख्या आजून पासून कितलीं वर्सां जालीं हें कांतार ताचें आजून पासून काजारान वाजता तो आसतलो येवा ताका पळोवपाक आमचे गांवचे बँड भुरगे देरेपेंत बँड म्हूण नांवच पडलां ताका देरेपेंत कित्याक बेश्टे गांवचे भुरगे एकठांय जावन हें बँड फॉर्म केलां आनी तुमकां एंटरटेन करतले घुमटाचो नाद आसतलो घुमटा आतां आमच्या मॅरियस बाग ग्वेंडोलीन बाय तेणी जालीं आतां 1-2 वर्सां घुमट प्रोमोट करूंक इंटरनॅशनल आमचो कार्लोस गोन्साल्वीस तितून हा घुमट म्हणल्यार आतां आयकोंक येयना यो पिल्यान गांवांत पळया घुमटां कोल्ली कोल्ली हा आनी कशे वाजयता पळय ते आमचे प्रोग्राम आमचे गणेश मंडल पळय हा बायलांचो ती पासून एक प्रोग्राम दाखयतली कोलशी डान्स म्हणून कोळशांचो येवात आनी पळयात आनी आमच्या गांवांत एक व्हडलो ग्रूप आसा जी रावता थिंगा आदिवासी ती झारखंड सान येयलेली आहा ती तुमकां डान्स परफॉर्मन्स दाखयतली येवन पळयात कित्याक आमी तुमकां दाखोवंक सोदता गोंयांत आमच्या आमी सगळीं बाराबर मेळोन एकवटान आमच्यांनी जिवंक रावंक जाता म्हणून.
Thank you so much, Paul. And finally, we have the man himself, a man who needs no introduction, a man of 3 continents. Mateche Fest is the brainchild of Festakar Marius Fernandez. 25 years and still counting. Zero waste initiative. So here I request you all, when you come to the Madhyacha Fest, please carry your plates, your cups. And now, sir, I would like to request you to say something and enlighten us with your words of wisdom and knowledge.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gwendolyn. It's a privilege actually to be on this panel because Father Derek is with us with the parish priest, driving force behind this event. We have Peter Fernandez, actually a world famous chef from Goa. We have young Edmund with us. Besides working with us, he's into theatre because I used to do theatre. He does theatre, he writes. And we have Paul. He might be famous with us, but I've been watching him on social media. You know, there are these Europeans who come and they all seem to know him performing in Kalagut here and there. So truly, it's an international panel. The third Madhyacha Fest is going to be unique because you know, there are many festivals in Goa. There are government festivals, there are religious festivals, but this is truly a secular festival of Goa. And besides everything, every festival goes somewhere, there are chief guests and there are all sorts of things. This does not have prizes, this does not have competition among ourselves. Our main aim is to showcase Goa and empower the village. There are, as Edmund said, there are 300 and probably even more people involved in rehearsing and practicing and talking about it for the last 2 months. You know, they have to have so many meetings and the groups have been formed and you know, it's not just going to be on a stage, this event. There are 3 different venues. The beginning is going to be at a stream in the village, in the church called the Sanko. We start from there. That's the first venue. There will be a skit, some event from there. Then there's a passway, Pilanchi passway from the Sanko to the church. That is the second venue with the brass band and young musicians and people with the instruments. And the third is the actual venue of the dance groups and the floats. There are 5 floats. And then we move inside the church and then there's another stage. Including food, now going to Jevon for the, as they were saying, Bolganjo Gozali. These are all Goan stuff. So if you have the Passoe, Bolganjo Gozali, going to Jevon, and local musicians. So third year we'll be showing you how, if we start small in a village, how your village can get empowered, and we want every village in Goa, you know, if they want to meet me or any of these panels of Father Derek, to get an idea how a village can be revived. I remember many years ago when I came to the village, I said the fest is in Pilan, and guess what? People ended up in Pilar. Yeah, because they had never sort of heard this name. But today Pilan is on the world map. Pilan is basically the cultural village of Goa. Not forgetting that throughout the year, on a Thursday, they have a market. Out of this fest has come a market, has come a band, has come musicians, singers, compares. So we want all of you all to come on the 2nd of October. We start at 10 o'clock sharp and it will go on throughout the day with lots of activities. See you there.
Thank you very much, sir. And before we wind up, are there any questions from the press?
Mr. Marias, this festival that you are organizing, it is on the 2nd. Okay, it actually coincides with the Gandhi Jayanti. Don't you think that it's a bit odd?
Yeah. So on the day we start at 10 in the morning, and with that, there is going to be a play right at the beginning. Father, you want to tell us who's going to be doing the play?
Now, this is we are having a rally. We are having a Passoe consisting of leading, which is led by 3 people. One is Saint Francis, one is Amso, our John the Baptist, is the patron of the church. Second is Saint Francis Assisi, because his feast is on 4th of this month, 4th of October, and also Gandhi. So these 3 people, they have something in common. They live in close in collaboration with nature. So it's an integration of Christian faith, also Gandhi, who was known to practice the values of Christ. So that's why we have chosen also 2nd October as this day, signifying also national integration, the secular values that he promoted in his life.
Any more questions?
All and everyone. There's never an entry fee. Everything's for people to come, enjoy. Call everybody. Only there's a small fee for lunch because the lunch is being served. And for this lunch, as we all said, it's zero waste. We want to promote this idea of zero waste. Please bring your plates, bring your cups. So we don't want garbage in that area. There is water to wash your cups and plates, and you all can take it back.